Hello everyone, I am Dr. M.I. Delighta Joyce, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Zoology, Sadakutala Appa College, Tirunelveli. I am going to present you on the topic circulation of insects. Have you ever wondered how tiny insects like butterfly stay active and agile? Unlike humans, insects have a unique circulatory system that keeps them moving. Insects have an open circulatory system as the blood rinses the internal organs directly in the body cavity instead of blood flowing through veins and arteries. The blood of insects is commonly called hemolymph. In vast majority of insects, blood does not contain hemoglobin as it does not perform the transportation of gases. In this video, we are going to see the structure of heart, course of circulation, chemical composition of hemolymph and the functions of hemolymph of an insect. Heart. The heart of an insect is a simple tubular structure located along its back, often called the dorsal vessel, which is the principal organ for blood circulation. It lies along the dorsal midline of the insect body, extending from the posterior region of the abdomen to the head. It pumps hemolymph towards the head where it exits the vessel and freely circulates through the body cavity or hemocoel. The wall of the dorsal vessel is contractile and is composed of mainly circulatory muscles. The dorsal vessel is divided into two major parts, a posterior heart and anterior aorta. The heart is often restricted to the abdomen but may extend up to prothorax in cockroaches and is closed posteriorly. The aorta extends anteriorly from the heart and opens behind or beneath the brain. Now let us see the course of circulation. The heart works rhythmically, moving hemolymph in waves. Blood enters the heart through the incurrent ostia. Thereafter, the blood is pumped forwardly through the dorsal vessel at systole, flowing out of the heart through the excurrent ostia and from the aorta. The valves of incurrent ostia prevent backward movement of the blood through these openings. Blood usually returns to general circulation in the head. Blood passes into the perineural sinus, supplying the nervous system. It then returns to the pericardia and then it enters the heart. Next, see the heartbeat of an insect. Systole, the contraction phase of the heartbeat cycle in which heart volume decreases, results from the contraction of the heart muscles, which begins posteriorly and spread forwards as a wave. Diastole, the relaxation phase of the heartbeat cycle in which heart volume increases, results from relaxation of the heart muscles helped by the contraction of aliary muscles. A period of rest or diastasis occurs between successive beats. The hemolymph does not transport oxygen like our blood does. That's because insects rely on a separate system, the tracheal system, for respiration. Now let us know the chemical composition of the hemolymph. The chemical composition of the insect hemolymph varies considerably both qualitatively and quantitatively. Even within species, it varies depending upon the physiological state, age, sex and food of the insect. It means that the hemolymph is a dynamic fluid that changes with the diet, environmental changes and different life stages. The water constitutes 84% to 94% of the internal body fluid of insects. The inorganic constituents present in insect hemolymph contains sodium, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium, phosphorus, chloride, and carbonate as major inorganic materials. The nitrogenous phase are metabolites of proteins and amino acids such as uric acid, which occurs in a very high concentration in the hemolymph. The hemolymph contains several organic acids like succinate, malate, fumarate, citrate, lactate, pyruvate, alpha-ketoglutarate, and several organic phosphate compounds. These acids are important in balancing the cations in the blood. The carbohydrates are extremely important to the insect as the major energy source. Lipids are usually found in insect hemolymph as lipoproteins, which help transport of digested fats. The free amino acids are found in very high concentration in the hemolymph, which may be either dietary or synthesized by the insect. Instead of red blood cells carrying oxygen, the tracheal system delivers air directly to the cells, leaving the circulatory system free to transport nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Now let us see the functions of hemolymph. Hemolymph plays an important role in maintaining pressure within the body, distributing nutrients and aiding in immune responses to fight infections. Transport and storage. Insect hemolymph transports nutrients such as amino acids, sugars, fats, etc. absorbed through the gut wall or released from cells that store such materials. Phagocytosis. Plasmatocytes and granulocytes of the hemolymph ingest foreign particles, bacteria, and cellular debris. Phagocytic hemocytes are also important during periods of molting and metamorphosis in insects. Nodule formation. Higher number of bacteria and protozoans are usually cleared from the hemolymph by nodule formation. Next comes the encapsulation. When foreign organisms are too large for either phagocytosis or nodule formation, are destroyed by encapsulation. Detoxification. Some hemocytes in the hemolymph are capable of making toxic metabolites and certain insecticidal materials non-toxic to insects. Hemostasis, coagulation, and plasma precipitation. Hemocytes prevent loss of hemolymph at a wound site by plugging and or promoting coagulation or plasma precipitation. Hemolymph serves as a lubricant, allowing easy movement of the internal structures relative to one another. Unlike vertebrates, insects do not have the classical antigen-antibody system. However, they possess diverse physiological defensive mechanisms against pathogens or against damage to the cuticle. The term insect immune system simply refers to the mechanism that permit the insect to resist infection by microorganisms. Interestingly, the circulatory system also helps during molting, where increased pressure helps the insect shed its old exoskeleton and grow a new one. So next time you see an insect buzzing by, remember its circulatory system. It's quite different from humans, yet perfectly adapted to its lifestyle. Truly, nature's design are endlessly fascinating. Explore more about the amazing world of insects, where biology meets brilliance. Let us conclude. We have seen the structure of heart, chemical composition of hemolymph, and the various functions of hemolymph of an insect. Hope you understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching my video.